Good morning guys from the Czech Republic. Today new adventures. We're going to see Sky Bridge, the longest suspended bridge on the world, and we will be a visit. The weather is maybe not perfect because it's a little bit rainy, but still looks very nice. More details when we arrive there. Before us 5 kilometers walk to this bridge from the parking spot. Finish the bridge, last meters. (721 meters, the longest bridge in the world, 95 meters above the ground, 405 tons in weight, 19.4 tons of steel, 66 supporting ropes and wind ropes. So, like you saw, this was walk in the most longest bridge. We doesn't have good weather, so like you saw, was fog, but we may be back here in future in good weather. But it's very nice walk and adventure. This is bridge what we walking today. Skywalk over there on the summit.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.